Here are the steps of how to master PowerPoint collaboration with the power of Copilot. First, open PowerPoint on your device. Next, navigate to the Home tab. Then, locate and select the Copilot option in the top right corner of the screen. After that, input your query into Copilot, such as create a presentation about advanced technologies. Copilot will take around 30 seconds to fetch the data. However, this time frame may vary depending on your internet speed. It's worth mentioning that you need both a Microsoft 365 personal subscription and a separate subscription for Copilot, otherwise, the Copilot option will not be available. Once Copilot generates the presentation, you'll find approximately 16 slides prepared with powerful information. You will find the presentation overview and covering topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual reality, space exploration, and much more. Use the Organized option to arrange the slides in your desired order. Copilot saves time by creating initial content, which you can then refine and customize. On the right side you see added and grouped slides done by Copilot. And on the left side incorporated into presentation. Lastly, utilize the Designer option to choose appropriate themes to enhance the overall design of your presentation. Thank you for watching.